In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to fix the video quality or poor video quality on Discover Plus account. If you're experiencing poor video quality on Discover Plus, then several factors could be contributing to the issues. Here are some potential reasons and troubleshooting steps to improve the quality. Now, first of all, a slow or unstable internet connection can affect video quality. Now, you can try following these steps. First thing, you can check your internet speed using a reliable speed test website or app. You can also switch to a faster and more stable internet connection, switching a wired connection or high-speed Wi-Fi network. Or the performance capacity of your device may impact video quality considering the following. You can close background app on programs that may be consuming resources and affecting device performances as well. And you could also go ahead and restart your device to clear your temporary files and refresh system resource as well. Or else you can check the video settings within the Discover app or website. You can adjust the video quality setting, ensure that the streaming quality settings are set to the highest available option for optimal viewing. And the device compatibility also plays a virtual role. Now, ensure that your device meets the minimum system requirement for streaming content on Discover Plus, or older or less powerful devices can or may struggle to maintain consistent video quality as well. After doing all of these procedures, if nothing seems to be working out, then you can go ahead and directly contact the support team, state about the issue, and they'll look into your matter. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.